Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video let's learn about how to create reels in Instagram. So let's get started. At first let's go to Instagram app. So here it is. Now we need to click on this plus icon in the bottom. So let's tap on this and now click on reels in the bottom. And now you can choose any video you want to add. So let's go for this one. Tag someone using this icon over here. So let's tap on this to tag or add music or anything. So now when you're done with all this and your video is ready to post, you can simply click on next. Now click on next again and click on share. So this is it. So now your reel is finally shared. So this is how you can create reels in Instagram. I hope you like the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.